Hey, what's going on YouTube? Hey, welcome back to a quick video here. In this video, we are going to introduce to you what might be familiar as well. It's going to be the ST fairing. So we had the opportunity of installing one. We sell a ton of them, but we installed one and it came out extraordinary. It came out beautiful. It definitely brought this bike out. Now I'm looking for them to maybe do some bags or something. So, but I just wanted to share with you guys here on the channel. So we're gonna get the camera around and show you what this thing looks like. So here we have the Street Bob outfitted with the Advanblack ST fairing. This thing brought this bike out. Customer is gonna be happy. Factory color match REDLINE red. ST fairing has some vents in it. Stock headlight. You also can go with some light, a few accessories. You can go with the Rockford audio kit if you wanted some tunes. But you got your bracket. It still shows your VIN. I'm not going to show the VIN, but it has a hole cut out for the VIN number. And the fairing is solid. On this beautiful 114 Street Bob. Support brackets under here. If you do not have the engine guard, that's the bracket that you will need. If you have the engine guard, then it's another bracket system that you will use. Relocated the turn signals. Turn signals were here to begin with, and we relocate them to the bottom here. Now I would like to see this customer go with some LED turn signals, but it's all up to, you know, how they want to outfit their ride. But you actually you can dress the front up now, pretty good. But it's definitely blocks some wind. Now they can get down more comfortably on this on this beautiful bike. A little too small of a bike for me personally, but it definitely is a nice ride. Outfit with a saddleman seat with the red stitching. So not only is this the inner and outer fairing, or outer and inner, however you choose to put it. Like I said, we'll pan right around here again. Has the color match inner as well. It's just beautiful look from the cockpit. That's how it looks if you're sitting in the saddle. So now you can block the wind, water, bugs, whatever the case may be. You have that extra protection on this bike. It is not a naked bike anymore. Beautiful ride, beautiful turnout. But I told you guys that was gonna be a quick one. Like I said, I just wanted to come on real quick and show you the beautiful ride here that we put together. So now we're gonna get this Street Bob to the owner so they can enjoy this beautiful weather out here in Concord, North Carolina. So make sure you guys tap into LEDs and bags, reach out to us. We got audio, lights, Advanblack factory color match parts, a slew of parts. Just give us a call or come by. You know, we got books in there. We offer drag specialties, parts unlimited, clockwork fairings, all kinds of stuff. So we try to be able to outfit your bike or try to offer a slew of parts for your ride. So however you want to dress your ride up, it's all up to you. We have the parts for you. All right, guys. Hey, y'all have fun, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.